Hey, man. We're back at it again. We got an EZGO RXV here, and I'm going to show you a quick test on how to check the key switch. First thing you want to do here is go to volts DC 200. We're going to check the overall battery voltage. And what you're going to do is put your black lead on the main negative, and your red lead, we're going to test the main battery voltage. So I'm going to put it on the main positive here. All right, so put on the main positive, and we should read battery voltage. All right, then what I'm going to do is you hit your gas and see what the voltage dropped to. Put it forward. Put it forward, Jerry. All right, you hit the gas a little bit. Make where the car moves. Hold on.
Oh wait, no, I know what it is. Nope.
Hold on. Try it now.
Nope, can't do it.
Let me see here. Try it.
Fluid.
All right, let's see what we got here.
Got it. You apparently can't hold your foot on the brake, kid.
No, you can't hold your foot on the brake. All right, man, my son should have knew this. He's been with me about a year now, but he forgot. He had his foot on the brake and foot on the gas at the same time. And the EZGO RXV, you can't do that for safety. And one more thing too, turn the key off. If you watch your RXV, hold your foot on the gas. All right, now his foot's on the gas. Turn the key on and forward with your foot on the gas. All right, you can see the car don't run, but you hear a buzzing sound, and that indicates that the gas pedal is down. Let go of the gas. So sometimes what you want to do is try to pull back on this here, like take it, hold back on it, then you turn the key on. If the car then try it and see if it runs. All right, but dang son, we're gonna try this here though. We're going to show you how to test the key switch. First thing you want to do is they have this on there. You just pull all this off, and then you want to put black lead on main negative, red lead on the main positive. And you got 49 volts. And then you see this yellow wire right here. The yellow wire which comes off the main positive, that feeds the key switch. All right. So what we're going to do. What we're going to do is unplug this. We're going to unplug the main harness in the controller. All right, we're going to unplug the main harness. And how you do that, you just pull up on that, or you just pull up on that with your finger, unplug it. So what we're going to do is this yellow wire is here. It goes to the key switch and comes back on the red wire. All right. So what we're going to do is take this here, put it inside the pin where the red wire is at. Turn the key off. All right, right now we have the key off, and all we're doing is checking voltage on the red wire here. This is the main one from the key that feeds voltage to the logic side of the controller. All right, turn the key on. All right, then right there, you know the key switch is doing its job. All right, man, I just want to show you how to test the key switch. I'll post some more videos on how to troubleshoot more wires. It's going to be a pretty lengthy video, but I'll show you. But now you know, man. Stay tuned.